Hi guys, another unboxing session with you guys, and today I have the latest Aura perfume collection from Nykaa, and this box I got it around 3000 with some discount from Nykaa website. And this is how the box is. This is a good gift box if you want to give a very presentable, a very standard pricey looking box. These three perfumes are explained here, how they look, how they feel. Everything is quite cohesive in here, and once you open you have some message written here which is about these fragrances, that these are French fragrances. They are sensual, floral, amber kind of, and three different expressions for you is what they are saying. Now, as you see here, there are three perfumes sitting. The rose quartz one is what I have opened and experienced because I just could not contain my excitement. And these two I'm going to unbox with you. So this is the outer packaging where it is rose gold metallic in color, and the notes breakdown is mentioned right here, which is super convenient. Behind you have manufacturing details and pricing. This is how gorgeous the bottle is, and you see the dent also here. I love the packaging on this one. It looks very pretty, very presentable. This is a 50 ml bottle, by the way, and the notes breakdown are mentioned as pear, jasmine, orange blossom, tuberose, peony, amber, vanilla, musk, and cedarwood. The first impression is this will be rosy, but it's tuberose, not rose. Don't know why they have called it as rose quartz. That's very confusing to the end user, you know. The consumers will think that this is a rose fragrance, but it's actually a tuberose fragrance. Sprayer is very good, and this perfume is a very soft, a very mellow, fruity floral fragrance. This is perfect for people who have that headache and migraine wala problem when you put perfumes, you know. This is the kind of scent profile that you should go for. It's very soft, very mellow, very mature, very floral, very office appropriate and everyday chore appropriate. So this is rose quartz for you. This is Golden Goddess. The moment I hear goddess, I feel that it is a Burberry goddess in a bottle. It's orange blossom, lavender, bergamot. That itself just clicks like, okay, Burberry goddess. Heart notes of white floral, maggot, and coconut. And base notes of vanilla, musk, and cedarwood. This is how the bottle looks like. Okay, again, beautiful bottle, and love the golden cap. Good sprayer. A very soft and a very light fragrance, like a watered down version of Burberry goddess. It is sweet, kind of aromatic, vanillic, lavender-like, and slightly woody. I like the scent profile on this one, and it's going to be my scent of the day because why not? It's nice. The final and the third one is a silver pear. Let's see what this one has. So this is a beautiful silver box, and this has notes of pear, orchid, lavender, and pink pepper. Heart notes, they're saying just it's floral, and then base notes of amber and sandalwood. I love this bottle as well. This is a nice silver cap. Love this one. It looks very fresh as compared to the others. Let's spray it on the other hand. This is very warm and spicy, also very fresh as compared to the other two. It does not have any sweetness to it. First impression is that it is kind of aromatic, sort of fruity and floral and woody and warm sort of a fragrance. Do you guys want individual reviews on each of these? Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.